You might not realize that being low on vitamin D can cause some surprising symptoms. If you have been a little off lately, stick around to learn more about these warning signals that you might be lacking this vital nutrient. Hello and welcome back to my channel Infinite Vitality Vibes. मैं हूँ आपकी हेल्थ कोच मीनू. So what is vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin which is very essential for our immune system. हमारी bone health के लिए बहुत important है और हमारे mood को भी regulate करता है. इसको हम लोग sunshine vitamin भी बोलते हैं कि हमारी body इसको अपने आप produce करती है, especially when we are exposed to sun. But many of us don't get it enough, especially during winter time or maybe if we are spending too much time indoors. फटीग एंड टायर्डनेस. अगर आप टायर्ड फील कर रहे हैं इवन आफ्टर अ फुल नाइट स्लीप, देन लो लेवल ऑफ विटामिन डी कुड बी अ रीजन. व्हेन यू आर ऑन लो लेवल ऑफ विटामिन डी, योर बॉडी हैज टू वर्क इवन हार्डर, लीविंग यू ड्रेन्ड आउट completely. So if you are struggling and dragging yourself throughout the day and you just can't shake that exhaustion, low level of vitamin D could be the reason. Bone and back pain. अगर आपको अनएक्सप्लेन्ड पेन हो रहा है स्पेशली इन लोअर बैक एंड जॉइंट्स, देन लो लेवल ऑफ विटामिन डी कुड बी अ रीजन. विटामिन डी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारी बॉडी में फॉर कैल्शियम एब्जॉर्प्शन, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट इनफ देन इट माइट लीड टू वीकनिंग ऑफ बोन्स, लीडिंग टू डिस्कम्फर्ट एंड इवन क्रॉनिक पेन. मसल वीकनेस इज अनदर वार्निंग साइन. अगर आप छोटा मोटा सामान उठाने में भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं और इफ यू आर फीलिंग वीक इवन आफ्टर अ लाइट एक्सरसाइज, इट्स टाइम you get your vitamin D level checked. Vitamin D plays a key role in our muscle function and deficiency of same can make you feel weak than usual. Mood swings. Low vitamin D is linked with mood changes and it contributes to the feeling of sadness and depression. Research में शो किया गया है कि जिन लोगों का vitamin D level low होता है, they are more prone to feeling depressed, especially in winter season when sunlight is scarce. Hair loss. ये शायद आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होगा, but that's true. If you are noticing more hair in your hairbrush or in shower drain, then low level of vitamin D is to be blamed. Vitamin D हमारे hair follicle की health के लिए बहुत important होता है and deficiency of this might lead to hair thinning and even hair loss. Frequent illness. If you're getting more sick than usual, that could be another sign. Since vitamin D helps in supporting the immune system, a deficiency of vitamin D can make you more prone to cold, cough, flu and infections. So if you're constantly catching up whatever is going around you, it's high time you get your blood test done. Okay, so now we know the signs. How do we fix it? Well, there are a couple of things you can do to boost your vitamin D level. First and foremost thing is to get enough sunlight. Try to get at least 10 to 20 minutes of sunlight every day, especially within 2 hours of sunrise in your location. You can also add vitamin D rich foods like mushroom, egg, fish and fortified milk. And of course, there are vitamin supplements, but please check with your doctor before you start the supplement. Thanks for tuning in and please like and subscribe if you like the video. And also share it with somebody who might need to hear this. Stay healthy, stay sunny, and I'll see you in the next video.